Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy December 1st. It feels like 2020 has been going on for so long, but at the same time has flown by so fast. And now that it's December, it's finally socially acceptable to post holiday and winter nail art. So today I'm going to do exactly that and share an easy gold snowflake design. I'm starting off with 2 coats of Mini Macaron's Golden Glow, which is a gorgeous gold shimmery gel polish, and I'll cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds after each coat. For those of you who aren't familiar with Mini Macaron, you don't need an extra base coat or top coat with their gels because they are built into every single gel polish with their 3-in-1 formula. I have a bunch of swatches and reviews, including swatches of the Soho collection, which Golden Glow is a part of, as well as a video of the Licorice Gel Manicure Kit, which is where this black Macaron LED lamp is from. You can check out those videos in the cards above or in the links below. Next, I'll take a detail brush and Milkshake, which is a white gel polish, and I'll start painting the first snowflake. I'm only going to do 1 full snowflake on each nail, and then 1 or 2 half snowflakes to fill in the empty spaces, just because I like how that looks more than 2 full snowflakes on each nail. So I started with 3 lines intersecting in the center, which left me with 6 smaller lines, and on each of the 6 smaller lines, I'll paint a V shape about 1/3 of the way from the center of the snowflake, and another V shape about 2/3 away from the center. And if you're looking to get a gift for someone who loves to do their nails or likes to get them done at a nail salon but can't right now, their gel manicure kits make amazing gifts, and it comes with everything you need for an at-home gel mani, and you can get 10% off at minimacaron.com with my code caramellogram10. It's not an affiliate code or anything, I don't make any money, I just truly love their products, so I'll leave a link down below in the description box. And on the other corner of my nail, I painted half of a snowflake, so instead of doing 3 big lines, I did 3 smaller lines that all met in one corner, and then I did the same thing with these small little V shapes on each of those small lines. So then I cured it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds, and I decided not to add a top coat because I liked how the snowflakes kind of popped on top of the gold, and these gels already have a top coat built in. So here is the finished golden snowflake design. Even though this was more of a winter nail art look, I feel like the gold brings some of that holiday sparkle to kick off December. But anyways, that's all for today's nail art design. I'll be sharing some more holiday and not holiday related videos coming up soon. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!